In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate a chat widget on your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to enhance customer interactions by making it easy for your visitors to reach out to you with questions or concerns. For this guide, we'll focus on using Shopify Inbox, Shopify's built-in chat feature, to keep everything simple and streamlined without needing additional apps or integrations. Let's get started by accessing Shopify Admin. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of your dashboard and locate the Sales Channels section. This is where all the magic happens. Within Sales Channels, you should see an option labeled Inbox. Go ahead and click on that. This is your direct entry into setting up real-time communication with your customers. Once you're inside the Shopify Inbox, the next important step is configuring your chat settings. This is where you tailor the chat experience to meet your store's specific needs. You'll want to decide on your availability, so customers know when they can expect a response. Setting expectations is key to providing excellent customer service. You'll also see options to decide how quickly you want to send first replies and whether you want to use instant answers to address common queries. Taking the time now to fine-tune these settings will save you a lot of time down the road and provide your visitors with a reliable and efficient experience. After your settings are in place, it's time to enable the chat widget itself. For this, you'll need to go back to your Shopify admin and navigate to your theme editor. This can be found under Online Store and then Themes. Look for the Customize button next to your active theme. That's where we're headed next. In the theme editor, you should find an option specifically for enabling the chat button. Depending on your theme, this could be located in different sections, but it's usually not too difficult to find. Once you're there, you'll have a few settings to adjust. You can choose where the chat button will appear on your site. Generally, the bottom right corner is a popular choice for easy visibility without obstructing the browsing experience. You can also set the appearance to match your store's aesthetic, making sure it blends well with your overall theme. Once everything looks good, don't forget to save and publish your changes. This is a crucial step. Without saving, none of your hard work will take effect on your storefront. And that's it. To confirm everything is set up correctly, visit your store as a customer would. You should see the chat icon in the location you specified. Ensure it's functional and styled to your liking. With this setup, your customers now have an efficient communication channel, making it easier than ever for them to reach out with questions or feedback. Congratulations! You've successfully activated a chat widget on your Shopify store using Shopify Inbox. This seamless integration will undoubtedly enhance your store's customer service and streamline communication, providing a more engaging shopping experience.